Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ms.Hira Afroz, a commerce lecturer in KHURSHEED Begum Girls Degree College, Hyderabad. As you all know that due to current pandemic of coronavirus, your classes are not held as per schedule. So Sindh Education Department decided to resume your classes online. So it's my first time to deliver a lecture online. I hope you will learn a lot from this course. So without wasting time, I will start from introduction of accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of summarizing, analyzing, and reporting the financial transactions in a manner that adheres to certain accepted standard formats, helping to evaluate a past performance, present condition, and future prospects as well. Need for accounting. In all activities and organizations, business or non-business, which require money and other economic resources, accounting is required to account for these resources. In other words, whenever money is involved, accounting is required to account for it. Accounting is often called the language of business. The basic function of any language is to serve as a means of communication. Accounting also serves this function. In further slides, we will study accounting is important to whom, or we can also say that what are the objectives of accounting in different perspectives of businesses or different types of people. Number one, we can study owners. The owners provide funds or capital for the organization. They possesses curiosity in knowing whether the business is being conducted on sound lines or not, and whether the capital is being employed properly or not. Owners, being businessmen, always keep an eye on the returns from the investment. Comparing the accounts of various years helps in getting good pieces of information. Management. The management of the business is greatly interested in knowing the position of the firm. The accounts are the basis. The management can study the merits and demerits of the business activity. Thus, the management is interested in financial accounting to find whether the business carried on is profitable or not. The financial accounting in the years of management and facilities in drawing future course of action, further expansion, etc. Creditors. Creditors are the persons who supply goods on credit, or bankers or lenders of money. It is usual that these groups are interested to know the financial soundness before granting credit, the progress and prosperity of the firm to which credits are extended, are largely wanted by creditors from the point of view of security and further credit. Profit and loss account and balance sheet are nerve centers to know the soundness of the firm. Employees. As we all know that payment of bonus depends upon the size of profit earned by the firm. The more important point is that the workers expect regular income for the bread. The demand for wage rise, bonus, better working conditions, etc. depend upon the profitability of the firm and in turn depends upon financial position. For these reasons, this group is interested in accounting. Investors. As we all know that investors are the basic part of any kind of business. The prospective investors who want to invest their money in firm or business, of course, wish to see the progress and prosperity of the firm. Before investing their amount by going through the financial statements of the firm, this is to safeguard the investment. For this group is eager to go through the accounting which enables them to know the safety of investments. Government. Government keeps a close watch on the firms which yield good amount of profits. The state and central governments are interested in the financial statements to know the earnings for the purpose of taxation. To compile national accounting is essential. Consumers. These groups are interested in getting the goods at reduced prices. Therefore, they wish to know the establishment of a proper accounting control, which in turn will reduce the cost of production. In turn, less price to be paid by the consumers. Researchers are also interested in accounting for interpretations. Research scholars. Accounting information being a mirror of the financial performance of a business organization is of immense value to the research scholar who wants to make a study into the financial operations of a particular firm. As such study needs detailed accounting information relating to purchases, sales, expenses, cost of materials used, current assets, current liabilities, fixed assets, long-term liabilities, and shareholders funds which is available in the accounting record maintained by the firm. Thank you, students. So that's all about our first lecture. Hope it is helpful for you all. In my next video, we will discuss more interesting things about accounting. I hope this lecture is helpful for you guys. Um, Thank you.